Hey, good morning. My name's Darren Czar. I'm sales manager for Farmata here in Salina, Kansas. A little bit of history about us. We are a family-owned business, started in 2018 here in Salina, and so we've been in business for 6 years. We feature American-made products built right here in the heartland in Salina, Kansas. And today I want to talk with you about our Elixir 64 machine. This particular machine is available in sizes from 12 rows to 17 with a couple of different options on row units. But today we'll start here at the hitch and visit about those features and benefits that you might consider next time you're in the market for a bar. Starting at the front of our bar here today, we have a heavy-duty hitch located up front here that is a Cat 3 and 4 series hitch. Along with that, we have a easy crank 10,000 pound jack on the front. We have a storage pocket for it here on the hitch that's easy to get to and store that when needed. Also on the front we have a spring-loaded carrier for our hydraulic hoses and our electric plug-in, along with an owner's manual, and then a spot for your gauges for your manifolds so you can easily see those from the cab to make sure that you're applying ammonia the right amount. And then also we have a storage rack built into this on both sides for your hoses as well. We also supply you with a DOT approved safety chain. Moving back a little further, we have a T-frame style hitch here, very heavy. We also, on our hitch, we have a turnbuckle that is how we level our machine from front to back. We also supply you with a wrench to assist in doing that. Okay, at the heart of Farmata's bar is the strength that we put into these bars. These bars have been designed, engineered for superior strength, and so we're going to talk about that a little bit and talk about some of the features and why we're the strongest bar out there. So all of our pivot points, including the hitch and our pivot points here, are 2-inch pins that have anti-rotating bolts in them. In addition to those pins, we have composite bushings that are self-lubricating. Additionally, we have no grease points on our main frame at all. It's no grease required. So let's move to the bar. Our bar is a 6x4 frame by 3/8 thick. That is the center section, both inner and outer wings. We also, our hitch pulls straight through to the back to the ammonia wagon. So as you look from above, you can see how we've got this all tied together from front to back. It's a straight shot through, so we have strength there. We have 8 diagonal and 11 horizontal front to back, tying the front row unit to the back gang. Another feature of this bar is our compactness. We are 22 inches from front to rear. The reason we do that is it keeps this bar compact, so it allows you to go over terraces and obstacles in the field with ease. By narrowing that down, it just travels across that field and gets you consistent depth from row to row and front to back. Okay, another feature on the Elixir 64 is our single point depth control, located up here on the hitch, handy for the operator to get to and see. It's a simple apparatus. Basically, clockwise is deeper and counterclockwise is shallower. We also have numbers here for a reference point as to your depth that you're requiring. Standard feature on the Elixir 64 are 4 gauge wheels mounted on the front rank of the machine. Those are standard with 11L14 implement wheels. Each of the 4 gauge wheels has a manual pin adjust, so you can set those for your particular depth and conditions. I want to talk about our framework on our lift system, featuring a 6x8 by 1/2 inch thick tube that runs from our front gang to our rear gang, connecting to our lift system. Also, we have a 6x6.5 cross member here. And as you can see, it's got a 1-inch plate, vertical plate, gusted by another plate, yoke that continues over the top and down the sides. Our center section features a 385 65R 22.5 tire, and our wings feature a 295 75R 22.5 tire. One of our features is that our row units are no more than 5 foot apart for consistent depth control across any terrain of your field. We have an industry-leading flex on our wings. On our inner wings, we have 15 degrees down travel and 15 degrees up. So on our outer wings, we have 12 degrees up and 2 degrees down. So we can really follow the contour of your field and keep a really good consistent depth with your application. A lot of our competitors leave this tube open. We have enclosed this with the gussets for extra strength. We have extra plates on the side, and we weld it in a V shape for less fatigue on the metal, as you can see here. Okay, in addition to the turnbuckle on the front that levels the machine from front to back, we also have turnbuckles located on each of our depth wheels to level the bar from left to right. Makes it very easy to get this machine field ready. In addition to that, we have our transport locks that are easily accessible for transport mode. Okay, this would be an example of our transport locks in field mode. We simply flip them back and pin them back here for easy storage. Another feature of the Elixir 64 bar is our quick assist hookup for your ammonia wagon. You simply pull the pin up and pull this out to help hook up. We have 18 inches of front to back movement, and so we have additional 12 inches to the left and 12 inches to the right for easy hookup. We have safety chain hookups here and an easy handle here for you to move this and maneuver this. Along with on the bottom of our hitch, clevis hitch, we have a stop here so it doesn't hang down all the way, so it should help to hook your wagon up to that as well. So once you're hooked up to your machine, it's very simple to get this back to field mode, basically back up. This hitch will self-align itself and self-latch in one movement.
Farmada's shank and high-speed, low-disturbance bars can be equipped with Raven or Continental heat exchangers from the factory. NH3 stabilizer kits are provided as per customer requirements. For additional information, please visit our website at farmada.net.